Hey friends, welcome back. Today I am painting this adorable little, looks like a mobile beach home that I found. It's a photo on Pinterest that now I cannot find. We have officially started. Again, facing a fear when it comes to creating art. It's very hard to describe, or when I'm trying to work through a process. I know for me as an artist, there's this weird fear that happens when I am going to attempt something new, something that I've not really have that much experience doing, and I put it off. One, I procrastinate as long as I possibly can, put it off, ignore it, pretend it doesn't exist. And then two, I get this weird fear, like for some reason, if I mess it up, the end of the world's gonna happen. And that's not the case. That's definitely not the case. Okay. A little nervous. Alright, so I want to start from the top. I know that's weird, but to me it just... In this video, I am facing that fear and just using straight ink. I really do love doing the ink watercolor thing. There is another process I want to try where you kind of loosely watercolor and then ink over the dried watercolor. But that's a process down the road. What do I think? Close?
songs repeated. Baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing phases of the moon. All through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence. In the heavens, a billion signals move. Call and answer, thousand pairs of two by two. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence. Midnight halos twist tied together, turning so close together. Midnight halos twist tied together, turning so close together. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence.
Okay. Oh, I forgot something. I did forget something. Hold on. There you have it, folks.